Hello everyone, this is Arya from Kaya Academy, and today I will show you how to change your Twitter password on your mobile to protect your account's security. Right now, as you can see, I'm using mobile interface and I'm using it horizontally so you guys can be able to see everything more clear, but don't worry, the buttons and every other thing is in its place. So let's get to it. And it is again in the hands of users to secure their accounts on social media. Experts recommend that you frequently change your password to prevent your accounts from being stolen and unaware. So today I will tell you what to do to change your password on Twitter while using your mobile phone. So how to change it for you to be able to change it. First you have to have the app, of course, and then you have to sign in, you have to log in, and after that, what you're gonna do is, as you can see, you're gonna click your profile, then you're gonna go to settings and privacy. And from here, we're gonna go privacy and safety. No, not privacy and safety, sorry. We're gonna go account, and as you can see, we have this password part, right? You're gonna click there, and you're gonna write your current password there. For example, I'm just writing something else like this, and then you're gonna put your new password, and then you're gonna confirm your password again, and you're gonna click update password. It's that easy. If you haven't put any of those things wrongly, it will be accepted, don't worry. So you're gonna click here, and then you're gonna be able to get in your Twitter account with your new password. The main reason why you should be doing that, just like the experts say, I'm not an expert exactly, but I've been using Twitter for a long time now. So you never know where the danger is coming from. One day you might wake up and someone is trying to steal your Twitter, not because you're someone so important, but just to get to your contacts, and a lot of things can happen. So you should just you should just secure your account by changing your password, and you shouldn't be putting very simple passwords like 1 to 9, or your name and your surname, those kind of things, or the things that everyone might know about you, like your girlfriend's name, those kind of things, right? So you got what I mean. And if you want to learn how to actually create a strong password, I think you can Google it and you will have more ideas about that. And since I told you that I'm not an expert, I just gave you a couple tips and I showed you how to do it. So I hope it helped. And if you think this video has helped you, it did, right? And if you like this video, don't forget to like the video. And if you have any questions about this process that I just showed you, or about Twitter, or about any other social media platforms, you can ask me in the comments, and I will come down there and will be trying to answer all of your questions one by one. So thanks for watching again. One more thing before I go. This is just a reminder because I know all of you guys already subscribed to my channel, but if you haven't, it's easier than changing your password, This one is at least taking 5-6 steps, but mine, all you gotta do is click one time. So thanks for watching again, and see you guys in the next video.